Today we're going to make a variation of the classic whiskey sour, the New York Sour. We need rye whiskey, fresh squeezed lemon juice, simple syrup, and some red wine. And we're going to start our drink with 1.5 ounces of rye whiskey, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, which is equal parts sugar and water. We have ice in our Boston shaker, and we're going to shake vigorously for about 15 to 30 seconds. We've got a chilled glass with some fresh ice, and we're going to use our Hawthorne strainer and also a fine strainer to pour this over the fresh ice. And now I'm going to use the back of a spoon to carefully pour a 1/2 ounce of red wine. Something like a Malbec or a Syrah is good for this. I'm just going to float that 1/2 ounce on top of my sour, and I'm rotating the glass to get a nice pretty look. And our final touch is we're going to garnish with 2 nice Luxardo cherries. And there you have it, the New York Sour.